What's up guys, it's Marissa from Krietz Customs. I am currently in a 2018 Ram 1500 Bighorn. We're kind of test driving it around Frederick at the moment, trying to feel its ride quality as well as some of the features that this vehicle comes with. Talking about the inside, it does have a touchscreen panel as well as a backup camera. It does have four-wheel drive, heated mirrors, automatic headlights, as well as trailer sway control. Definitely want that if you are looking to get a truck and you're going to be hauling a lot of things. With a 6-inch lift, it does ride pretty nicely. It is just like driving a factory truck, to be honest, and I'm not just saying that. You can tell that I'm not bouncing around all over the place like Ace Ventura. And now let's take a look at the outside of this Ram. We added a 6-inch rough country suspension system. We wanted to make a drastic change to this Ram, but also wanted to maintain its factory ride. The wheel and tire package is going to be a TIS 544 wheel. This one specifically is a 22x12 with a -44 offset. So it's definitely a different wheel, also that deep dish look that everybody loves. It features your angular spokes and your millings on the outside of each spoke as well. And it does have your exposed lugs, so your spike lug nuts are gonna look great with this wheel. Krietz Customs also added the wheel-to-wheel Nerf Bars from Rough Country, so definitely an aggressive style running board for this Ram 1500. If you guys like this truck, make sure you look at our listed inventory at KreitzAuto.com. The stock number is 465190. And if you want to build your Ram like this, make sure you shoot me a message on Facebook at Krietz Customs or go to our website at KreitzCustoms.com.